An HTML link, although it may sound confusing, is pretty easy to make. A link is something that allows us to click on something, like this contact, and it comes to a different page. You could also make an image a link, like this Facebook or Twitter, or you could link to your friend's website. Let's see how to do that. The first thing we want to do is sign in. We're going to open up a new tab, and we're going to sign in. Let's go to widgets. In the widget area, it doesn't allow you to have the visual text editor. I think you can get a plugin that will allow that, but by default it doesn't have it. So let's see how to add a link to it using HTML. It's not as scary as it sounds. And let's make a link to Google. The way you do this is with an anchor tag. Just A. So it's a less than A and then a greater than sign. And we need to end it. So that's the way you end it. You end it with a slash, a forward slash. And your link information goes into here. So this is a link to Google. But we're not telling it yet anywhere for it to go. And we do that by adding an attribute. And that's called href, or hypertext reference. It really just means it's a link. So we do href equals, and then in two quotes, we put in http www.google.com. Just like that. If we don't have the HTTP, then it will just go to my website, knewton.com/www.google.com. So we need that HTTP there to tell us that it's a completely different website. Let's see if it works. Now we can see that we have a link and it goes to Google. Something else we could do, we can put instead text in here, we can put an image in here. That will be the next video. One thing I missed is this A is called an anchor because it anchors it to google.com.